Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're using the Ecosia browser on your Android phone and you're finding the text too small or too large, this video is just for you. I'll walk you through simple steps to change the text size in Ecosia for better readability and comfort. Open the Ecosia browser on your Android mobile device. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Find the option labeled Default Text Size. If you want to increase the size of the text, tap the plus icon. If you prefer smaller text, tap the minus icon instead. Exit the menu and return to browsing. Your new text size will now be applied. Thanks for watching. Adjusting the text size can make browsing much easier on your eyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick mobile tips and share this video if it helped you.